Your Jaguar is smart enough to tell you when something's wrong. But do you know what those lights actually mean on the dashboard? Let's break down the 5 most common warning lights, when it's okay to keep driving, and when it's time to stop and call in the experts. Check engine light. This one could be as simple as a loose gas cap, or it could be an engine or an emissions issue. If it's solid, you can usually continue driving, but you should schedule service soon. If it's flashing, stop driving immediately. That's your Jaguar telling you something needs attention now. Brake system warning light. This could indicate low brake fluid, worn brake pads, or an issue in your braking system. If this light comes on, don't ignore it. Your brakes are your most important safety feature. Have them inspected right away. Engine temperature warning light. If this appears, pull over as soon as it's safe to do so. Continuing to drive can cause serious engine damage from overheating. Turn off your engine and let it cool before calling for assistance. Battery warning light. Now this doesn't always mean a bad battery. It could be an alternator or a charging system issue. You may have limited driving time before the vehicle shuts down, or issues starting the vehicle at all. So getting it checked promptly is key. Tire pressure sensor light. Now this doesn't always mean you have a flat tire. This could be due to cold weather, a slow air leak, or a malfunctioning TPMS sensor. Driving with incorrect tire pressure can affect handling, fuel efficiency, and tire wear. So it's important to check your tire pressures and have the system inspected if the light stays on. Modern Jaguars use advanced systems that require specialized knowledge and tools. That's why Jaguar trained technicians matter. They know your vehicle inside and out and can diagnose issues accurately the first time, helping you protect your performance, safety, and warranty. When a warning light comes on, don't guess. Trust the experts trained to care for your Jaguar. Schedule your service at Jaguar Naperville Authorized Service.